Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, 5th September 1888 to 17th April 1975, was an Indian philosopher, academic and statesman who served as the first Vice President of India 1952 to 1962 and the second President of India 1962 to 1967. His birth date has been celebrated as Teachers' Day. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born in a Telugu-speaking Niyogi Brahmin family in Tirthani of Chittoor district in the erstwhile Madras Presidency, later in Andhra Pradesh till 1960, now in Tiruvallur district of Tamil Nadu since 1960. His early years were spent in Tirthani and Tirupati. His father's name was Sarvepalli Veeraswamy and his mother's name was Sarvepalli Sidamma. His family hails from Sarvepalli village in Nellore district of Andhra Pradesh. His primary education was at KV High School at Tirthani. In 1896, he moved to Hermannsburg Evangelical Lutheran Mission School in Tirupati and Government High Secondary School, Balajapet. Sarvepalli was awarded scholarships throughout his academic life. He joined Voorhees College in Vellore for his high school education. After his FA First of Arts class, he joined the Madras Christian College at the age of 17. He graduated from there 1906 and also finished his masters from the same college. He was married to Shivamu, a distant cousin, at the age of 16. As per tradition, the marriage was arranged by family. The couple had 5 daughters and a son. In April 1999, he was appointed to the Department of Philosophy at the Madras Presidency College. Thereafter, in 1918, he was selected as Professor of Philosophy by the University of Mysore, where he taught at its Maharaja's College, Mysore. In 1921, he was appointed as a professor in philosophy to occupy the King George V Chair of Mental and Moral Science at the University of Calcutta. In 1929, Sarvepalli was invited to take the post vacated by Principal J. Estlin Carpenter at Manchester College. This gave him the opportunity to lecture to the students of the University of Oxford. He was the Vice Chancellor of Andhra University from 1931 to 1936. When India became independent in 1947, Sarvepalli represented India at UNESCO 1946-52 and was later Ambassador of India to the Soviet Union from 1949 to 1952. He was also elected to the Constituent Assembly of India. Sarvepalli was elected as the first Vice President of India in 1952 and elected as the second President of India 1962 to 1967. When Sarvepalli became the President of India, some of his students and friends requested him to allow them to celebrate his birthday on 5th September. He replied, "Instead of celebrating my birthday, it would be my proud privilege if September 5th is observed as Teachers' Day." His birthday has since been celebrated as Teachers' Day in India.